Hi everybody! Today, me and my friend, we're gonna beat all of those bosses together. We're gonna just do it best we can and defeat every boss. So, let's get started. Okay, now, we're gonna start the Shadow Boss. You already defeated before, but...
Shouldn't we get more people for that?
Okay, let's just pack up, okay? Let's just pack up.
I already got a backpack filled with stuff.
You need something to dig with. You need the drill. Okay, you need... I'll get a laser. And let me get something.
Oh, can you get me a laser too?
I will. Just let me... Hold on.
Thanks.
And you need your grapple gun.
Oh yeah,
and
grapple gun.
Also your sword to hit him. Okay? You know?
But I don't have any hands anymore.
Use your backpack to carry all.
Oh. Okay,
Okay,
wait.
put your grapple gun in your bag.
Oh, wait. Oops. Wait, where'd my grapple? Oh. Wait.
Hey, hold on, let me buy you one. Here.
No,
I got one.
I got one.
Okay, let's... Alright.
Okay,
Let's get...
so...
Alright.
I need a sword.
Yeah,
And this.
put your grapple gun in your bag. Okay.
No, I already got one in my bag.
Okay, let's keep going. Alright, let's go. Defeat that man. Alright, Shadow Boss.
I got a sword.
Yeah, I know, but lasers can dig faster.
Oh, wait up.
Hey, hold on. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Alright, let's go.
Oh.
Alright, here we go. Just follow me.
Wait, I'm gonna see if this works as a flashlight. No, it doesn't. No.
Alright. Alright.
Ricky.
Alright. Now, we need to remember that. Dig right in the middle, do you know? Right here.
Okay. How about we both dig separate? Like, how about we both dig this hole? Like,
Sorry.
Oh. It's okay. I'm expanding a hole for me to dig down with so that we don't hit each other.
Okay, that's a good idea. We gotta stand right next to each other. Alright, there's the ground. Let me do the finding. Alright, this is our spot. Okay, Blue, we gotta go around. Hey, Blue, right here, we just have to go around that monster. Hey, Blue, whoa, don't go there. There's a monster right there. We just have to go around. That way. This way.
Okay. But I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Stuck. Oh,
Come on.
okay.
Jump.
Oh, just making.
Just jump.
Okay.
Alright, now we keep going straight.
Till we make it.
Okay, and now we go down here.
Okay, I'm just dropping my sword.
Alright, let's go.
Plus I have a hatchet in my bag. Like, the axe weapon. Ooh, gold.
Okay, come on, let's. Hey, alright. Watch out.
Wait, I need this gold.
Oh, sorry. Hey, whoa. Shh. Hey, slow down. Alright, it's this way. Hey, come on. Alright, here we go. Let's ready to jump. Alright. Hey, hold on, black, blue. Alright, here we go. Hey, hold on, black, blue. Let me get my stuff ready.
Wait, I want to go dig here.
Yeah, I know. You get the lasers after you defeat a boss. Alright, let's go.
I've beaten this once.
Yeah, I see your hat, you know? I saw your hat before, you know?
Yeah, it goes really good with this buckle, I think. It's like I'm a godly warrior.
If you don't have any weapons, if you drop... Excuse me, black, blue. Here's all the crates. If you need your weapon to defeat him, okay? Alright, I'm gonna spawn him now.
Ooh, I got a big axe.
Oh, he's here! Time to defeat him! Alright, time to shoot it! Or now. Let me do the distract. Get out of the way! Hey, get out of the way! Keep going! Run! Just run!
Hey, buddy! Over here!
Alright, grab your crate!
You think that scared me? Hey, come on!
Alright, time to dig! Go! Go, hurry up! Come on, let's dig! Hurry! Blackwood, go, go, go. All right, move.
I got a revolver.
All right, this is the last digging. Time. Go, 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 go. Go faster. No.
Wait, 2 guns work. I'm shooting it. Out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. I can't do anything. I'm out of ammo.
We finally defeated him.
That was actually kind of easy.
All right, time. We still got the lasers. Let's keep going. You don't need to worry about the key.
Wait, can lasers damage? I have a question. Do lasers deal damage? Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, lasers do deal damage? Down here.
Yeah, I know. Let's charge up our lives first. Ow. Ow.
Guys, it's just you got in the window.
Look all around. Get out. All right, there's one right here.
Up. Bro.
Okay, I found. Alright, this is our spot. Alright, now, this part we need to collect some bananas and put it in the cube, you know?
I didn't. Oh, I got a shotgun for the battle.
Okay, watch out for Mimic, okay? Just kill them to get the ball of bananas. Keep put it in here, okay?
Okay. Hey. Hold on, guys.
Come on. Get out of here.
Hey.
Just stay up. Get out of here. Just get out.
Again, banana. Nobody hurts my friend. You crate.
All right, keep collecting some.
I got a double barrel shotgun.
Come on. Okay, let me
Come on,
collect.
get the bananas.
Excuse me, hold on. Let me collect some guns. So for our next boss. All right, let's keep collecting
Collect the
some.
bananas, I'll defend.
All right, let's go. Ow!
Out of ammo.
All right, keep
Double barrel
going.
Shotgun.
Keep doing them. All right, keep putting the bananas in there.
I ran out of shotgun ammo. No, you collect bananas. I find.
All right, the door's open. The door's open. Let's go inside. We gotta
I
quickly
need a
escape
weapon.
them. We gotta keep quick escaping. Go, go, go. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm coming.
Let's get out of here.
I need a weapon.
I can kill them, okay? Just go. Go, 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 go. I'll distract
Okay.
them. Close the gate. Close now. Close.
No, I'm trapped.
Where are you?
I'm outside the gate.
Where? Where are you?
Outside it. I need you to open the gate.
Oh no, you're trapped? Hold on. I'm coming! Just come!